So making a partition can be really helpful. Say that you corrupt your Windows someday. You can lose all your data trying to reinstall the Windows if it is in the same partition as the Windows. So hey guys, Vizio here and I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to show you how you can make hard drive or disk partition on your Windows PC. So this is going to work for all Windows, all the version of Windows. So it is going to work for Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8 or any other version of the Windows. So yeah. So before starting this video, make sure to leave a like and make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to see more videos like this. With that being said, let's just get right into the video. All you have to do is go on to the start and type in admin and you will see Windows administrative tools. So just click enter. So yeah, once this folder is open, just click on computer management and open it up. Wait for it. And yeah, once this computer management window is opened, all you have to do is go on to storage, then go to disk management. And once you are here, you will see all the partitions that you have already made. So as you can see, let me show you in my computer. I have 3 partitions. So as you can see in this window, I have Windows C, Vizio A and Lenovo D, and this is for some BIOS and all. As you can see, there are 3 partitions here and 3 partitions in this PC folder. So in order to make another partition, what you have to do is click on Windows C or the one which has the most memory or the most storage space and right click on it. Click on shrink volume. It will see how much volume is available for shrinking. Let it sit for a while. So after a while, you might see something like this on your screen. As you can see, it says shrink C and it shows you the size before the shrink. This is 700 GB and it shows the available size of shrinking that is available. And here you can enter the amount of what the size of the partition you need. So I'm just gonna go ahead and type in 10,000, which is 10 GB, and as you can see, it shows the total size after the shrink. So the total size after the shrink would be 716 GB. Once you're okay with this, just click on shrink. Again, it will take some time. Just let your computer sit for a minute. So as you can see, these blue lines shows the primary partition and this black line shows the partition that is unallocated. So all you need to do is go on to the unallocated one, right click and click new simple volume. It will open this new simple volume wizard. All you have to do is click next. Now it will show you the maximum disk space in MB and minimum disk space in MB. This is the maximum size for which you can create a new partition and this is the minimum size for which you can create a new partition. So yeah, just go ahead and select the maximum number. Click next. Now it will ask you to format this volume. So don't worry, nothing will be deleted from this volume as it is already empty and unallocated. So all you have to do is select a file system size. You can set it as NTFS or FAT32. I'm just gonna go ahead and select NTFS. Let the allocation unit be default and under the volume label, you can change the label of this disk. So you can name it something like your name or whatever this disk is for. So I'm just gonna go ahead and type in test 1 Vizio and make sure that perform a quick format is selected and click next. And yeah, once you're on this page, make sure that everything is as per your requirements and yeah, once that is done, just click finish and you can see this black bar turn into blue and it will do a process of formatting and making this drive usable. And as you can see, this drive is usable and let me show you in the my PC folder that this partition has been made. And as you can see, the partition has been made. It is of 9.73 GB. Now let me show you how you can redo this process. So in order to undo this process, just click on this new partition that we just created, right click on it and click on delete volume. and as you can see, it says deleting this volume will erase all the data, back up the data before deleting it. So we do not have any data in this volume, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click yes. And as you can see, it turned to unallocated once again. So now in order to allocate this 9 GB to somewhere else, so I'll just be allocating it to Windows C, from which I shrink the volume. So in order to do that, click on Windows C, click on extend volume, next, and as you can see, it will show you the disk selected, which is unallocated. And once that disk is selected, just click on finish, wait for it to process, and as you can see, it is restored in the Windows C disk drive. So yeah, that's about it for this video, guys. Hopefully I helped you guys with something. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section. If you have any video suggestions, if you want me to make any video, make sure to drop them down in the comment section, and make sure to leave a like on this video, and I'll see you in the next one.
If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you.